Hello, welcome to this first class in a series of videos which will be coming up, and mainly these videos will be geared up for the data capture in networks. But we are not only going to capture data, we want to analyze that data and we want to make sense of that data. Now, in this course, the overall course is called cybersecurity exploits. So we are going to see several exploitation to different platform, different applications, including even phones. So in setting up this first stage, which will be the white belt level 1, what we are envisioning of doing here is we'll set the lab first. So in setting up the lab, you just need one operating system. I just one computer will do. The computer you will be on should have at least 8 gigabits, but 4 plus, meaning 4 is the minimum. Then we have got also there should be 50 plus gigabytes of hard disk space um, on the computer which we are going to install the VirtualBox. So when we install the VirtualBox application, we also want that computer to have the internet connection. So the operating system here, you could use Linux, Windows, or Mac OS. So I've got these two, Linux and Windows, which we are going to use. So you can install the VirtualBox on these three major operating system. So the next thing we are going to do here, I will show you the overall diagram, network diagram, which we are going to build. So let's get the picture for that. There we go. So in this diagram here, you can see that we have got the three computers here. This is Kali Linux, which is Linux. Then we have got a Windows laptop and also another virtual machine application or operating system on Linux called Metasploitable 2. So all I want you to have is just to have one of each. You could have only Windows and not have Linux, or you could have Linux and not Windows. That doesn't matter. But in this setup, you can have the two computers. Now, why we are having the first operating system here is we are going to store the VirtualBox inside one of these operating system here, like the Kali Linux or the Windows environment. So this will be called a host. So this this could be a host computer because it's hosting the Metasploitable. So the Metasploitable will download it. It will come as OVA most of the case. So this OVA will be able to run into the VirtualBox, which you have installed on the host operating system here. And you'll be able to connect. So you can, once it's installed and you are on the Metasploitable, then you can be able to go through the VirtualBox. So this will act the VirtualBox as a router. So it will route the traffic out to the internet, or else it can also route it to the other Windows operating system if you are also connecting the Windows operating system or that laptop to the same network through the VirtualBox. So this is what we are going to be installing. Once we install the Metasploitable 2, we should be able to have a connection. So we are going to use a program called ping from the host computer here, and it will ping past the VirtualBox all the way to the Metasploitable 2. And we should be able to know whether we are connected to Metasploitable 2 or not. So that's the objective of having the Metasploitable at first. Then later on, once we know that we can be able to ping, we are going to capture the ping packets. Now, when we are capturing the ping packets, we'll use also a program which will be installed in the Kali or in the Windows, as I mentioned. So we have got several applications. The big one will be Wireshark. Then we have got TCP dump, and we are going to use a Python library called Scapy. So these are the three programs we are going to install and use to capture the ping packet going across to the Metasploitable. So that's enough for the introduction. In the next bit, we are going to install the VirtualBox. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for viewing.